Alright you guys, today we'll check out how to make this retro chrome text effect with interesting reflections going on. You also can download the source files and template in high resolution, link in the description. So let's take a look. I'm gonna go with an artboard size of 1080p. So from here we're gonna go to the text layer, right click on it, and select Convert Smart Object. Now we're gonna double click on the font layer, and here first we're gonna activate the bevel and emboss. Let's increase the depth to 60. Size is going to be 15, angle is going to be -5.5, altitude 25. Let's go to highlight mode, change it up to screen. Both are going to be 65, 65. And we're going to go to the color contour and change it to this one right here. Let's activate the gradient overlay. Angle, I'm going to go with -70, scale 70. And let's click on the gradient here. And here we're going to change up the colors. So the first is going to be red. Next is going to be white. Click OK. Third, green. Something like this. Next is going to be blue. And then the last is going to be a yellow. Also arrange it a little bit better. Click OK. And then we're going to activate the inner shadow. Let's change up the color to white. Blend mode. Overlay. Opacity 100%, distance 18, and the size 9. Let's activate the satin. Here we're going to go with the blend mode on vivid light, opacity on 18, angle is going to be -125, distance 3, size 16, and we're going to go to the contour and switch it to this one right here. Alright, I'm going to click OK. And now let's go to the text layer. I'm going to collapse this, press Ctrl J to duplicate. And I'm going to right click on the top text layer, right click, and select Convert Smart Object again. So now we're going to double click on the top text layer. Let's go to the gradient overlay. Here the angle I'm going to switch it to -90. And the scale I'm going to increase it 120. Let's click on the gradient. And here we're going to need to switch up the colors. So for example, I'm going to customize the green. I'm going to press and hold Alt to drag the green here. And I'm going to switch this up. Maybe I'm going to increase it. I'm going to make this a little bit more lighter. And this one is going to be a purp. Click OK. A white. And then we're going to switch up these guys here. Blue is going to come here. And I'm also going to switch up the color. Make it light. And the yellow is going to be white. Something like this. Click OK. And click OK. And we're going to right click on this text and select again Convert Smart Object. Now here we're going to go to the blend mode and change it to multiply. Now let's duplicate the top text layer and let's change up the blend mode, select soft light. And then let's go to the adjustments. Let's add a gradient map. Click on the gradient and here we're going to change up the colors. This is going to be a yellow. Second one, we're going to go with a blue purple. There it is. And then the last one, I'm going to bring this somewhere here. This is going to be the orange. There. And then next, all you need to do is go to the blend mode and change it to color. If you want to tweak the gradient even more, you can go and select the bottom text layer, select the gradient overlay, double click, and then here you can change up the angle and make it more interesting. 62. Let's click on the top layer, go back to adjustments. You can add curves. Increase the contrast, and there you go. Go back to adjustments, select the grain, add some grain, and then that's it. Thanks for watching.